Welcome to the 7th video of the series. Let's get started. Model number 7. We start our sketch, choose our plane, and we're gonna use the profile tool. We can start drawing. And that's roughly how it's supposed to look like. We can start adding our dimensions. At the bottom we have, let me check, we have 60. This is going to be half of the whole thing. I put 80 by mistake. I'll fix it shortly. 60. The height of the whole thing is 160. Get that in. We got $40 here from this point to here. There's 30 here from this point to this point. And 40 here. The angle here is 77. And here we have an angle of 117. The height here is 15. And here we have 35. I think it's the last dimension we're missing. Yeah, our sketch is fully defined. So we press finish. And we're going to use a new operation, which is revolve. So we select the curve. What it means is the lines which we want to revolve around. So we choose all of them, like so. We see we want it to revolve around this line, so we gotta press here, reverse direction. We specify the vector. We want it to revolve around this line, so we can choose this one or this one. It doesn't really matter. Z-axis. And specify a point, so we're gonna choose the 0 point. And we just click apply. Now we can hide the datum and the sketches. And our model is finished.